This video covers questions 27 through 30 and deals with rewriting using only positive exponents. Basically, we never want to leave exponents with a negative, so unless we're dealing with scientific notation. So the way to get rid of it is to move it to the denominator if it's in the numerator, or move it to the numerator if it's in the denominator. If you don't currently have a fraction, you can always make it a fraction by writing it over 1. So here I'm going to write this as a fraction over 1, and we're going to take anything that has a negative exponent, so this y to the negative 8, and move it to the bottom. That's going to make it a positive exponent. So I'll end up with 5x to the 4th over y to the 8th. Here we're going to distribute this power of negative 3 to everything, like we did in an earlier video. So that's 2 to the power of negative 3, x to the power of negative 9, y to the power of negative 12, and z to the power of negative 15. And now anything with a negative exponent is going to switch its position. So the z to the negative 15th gets moved to the top. Everything on the top is negative exponents, so we're going to move it to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and multiply out 2 to the 3rd power as 8. We'll have x to the 9th, y to the 12th. X to the negative 5th gets moved to the bottom, and since there's nothing left up there, it will just be over 1. Or sorry, 1 over x to the 5th. These both have negative exponents, so we're going to switch their positions. So y to the 5th gets moved to the top, and x to the 10th gets moved to the bottom.